Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got the old phone, so you'll have to excuse some poor quality, but I have a very jumpy speedometer, and I have a feeling that this guy here is pretty worn. On the back side of your transfer case, or on the end of your tail shaft, you'll have a speedometer gear that runs off of your output shaft of either your transmission or transfer case. Your first step is you want to get good and drunk, because normally these clips are not very cooperative. There it goes. Oh yeah, she's a little chewy. Yeah, she's like a meth head. She's missing a few teeth. So, what is that? Oh, that's the clip. I've never seen a clip like that. Okay, well, my suspicion was correct, and it's again cold, so I'm kind of trying to get this done before I can't feel my fingers, which isn't probably going to happen because I've already lost feeling in my fingers, and I don't have the right tools. Oh, there. The clip apparently just falls right out. Let's see if this guy will... Oh yeah, she'll slip right out of there. Oh, no, I did remember it. Through the magic of camera work, I have already ordered this part because I was already planning on replacing it, because I had a feeling that she was already bad. So, I got a bright, shiny new... And by the way, they do make... Oh wow, that just slid right in. By the way, they do make different colors. I know you're in the dark, but I kind of got a headlamp and I'm running out of battery juice. So, we'll have to just deal with it. But they do make different colors. Each color represents a different number of teeth for whether or not you need to upsize for either tire size or different gear ratios in your rear ends. And my pinky on my left hand is really having a hard time. There we go. Alright. Yeah, I gotta get some warmth back into me. The hand's getting a little cold. It's, there we go. And just like that, there's no pausing or anything. Oh, I lost a bulb already. There it is. It's pretty simple. It's I think it's an M8. It took an 11mm. It might be an M6 with a... It can't be an M8 because M8s are 13. Oh. Yeah, that hand's getting really cold. Oh, I lost my ratchet already. There it is. Yeah, you're gonna be in the dark for a bit because I got the poor quality camera. It's not a fancy phone at all, but it works. So, just like that, it's pretty simple. Just drop it out with this one bolt, pull it right out, pull that little clippy off, and then tighten it back down. There we go. Alright. And then we'll give it a test drive. My battery's not having a good time. I gotta switch a phone over. But I'll leave it at that. And we'll hopefully see you later. So just like that was very quick and easy. My hands are cold. I'm going to go inside and get warm. I'll give this thing a test drive, and hopefully she drives with the speed that she's showing on the dash instead of just a little jumpy. So till next time, catch you later.